Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jynxzi Clash Royale deck. Start by identifying your win condition and which cards support it, then learn your average elixir cost and ideal cycle pattern for pressure and defense. Practice opening moves, common responses, and when to commit to a push versus resetting tempo. Keep calm under pressure and adapt to opponent tendencies to convert small advantages into tower damage over time. Start your early rounds with soft plays that reveal opponent strategy while conserving elixir for defense. Focus on chip damage and small probes rather than all-in pushes, and prioritize responding to heavy counters like tanks or area spells. Cycle cards efficiently to keep pressure while staying ready to defend, then look for safe moments to support your win condition and force mistakes from your opponent. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for match alerts and ambient focus while you practice. It pairs nicely with late-night ladder sessions and can even announce emote spam with style. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In mid and late game, apply consistent pressure by threatening both lanes when possible to split opponent focus. Make smart elixir trades and avoid overcommitting to a single push unless you know the opponent is low. Use precise placement and timing to bait spells, protect your support units, and exploit gaps created by their rotations, turning small advantages into decisive tower damage without risking a full reset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.